Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
The idea of free will gives me a lot of comfort, but at the same time instills some sense of fear as well, because I think free will is a beautiful gift that God has given to us, and we can take decisions and make choices however we want to. But अगर हमारी बुद्धि डेवलप नहीं हुई है, if we have not gathered the strength and those godly qualities through right living and right thoughts and right actions, then we are probably not the best people to judge what is right action and what are the right choices in life. And that is the scary part to me, because at least when you're young, it matters a lot the way you have been brought up and the kind of people you are surrounded by. क्योंकि तुम्हारे खुद के कोई थॉट्स नहीं रहते, तुम्हारा खुद का कुछ ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट हुआ नहीं रहता है, एंड ऑल यू सी इज people around you, and you absorb. You are like this sponge who becomes a product of their environment and the people around them. And that is a very scary way to grow up, because you spend the most formative years of your lives solidifying beliefs that are not true, that are passed on. और वो समझने में इतना टाइम लग जाता है. But why is it comforting for me, and why I look forward to it now, is because it builds my faith in the fact that no one is responsible for whatever happens in my life, good or bad. It is only a product of my thoughts and actions. And if I can mold that and shape that, I can change my reality as well. So that idea is very comforting and very something that really builds my faith into changing who I am. And of course, it takes a lot more strength to choose the right and change your whole thought process and mechanism after years of what you've done to yourself. But it is a nice reminder that you don't have to worry and you don't have to follow anything, or there is not a single way to success. It is what you decide for yourself. And that brings me a lot of relief, that I decide my life. I decide the reality that I live in. I decide every single thing, and I can change it if I really, really, really want to. Because this whole time I was only taught of a singular path in life that I need to follow, क्योंकि उसके अलावा और कोई तरीका है ही नहीं सक्सेस के लिए या फिर जीने के लिए. And now I have the ability to understand that I decide my success and my reality. I know it is a very overdone thing at this point, and we know about the effects of free will and how it functions in our life, but I still feel that we are so used to the way everything around us functions that we still haven't exercised the ability to live in a very unique manner. I would stop talking about this if I saw every single person living a completely different life that is a full and outright expression of who they are. And when people start living from that place, no one's life is going to match another one's, because it can't be replicated. You can't be replicated. You are a product of so many lives and so many thoughts and actions that it is literally impossible to have a same life like you do with someone else. And that is what we are trying to do even till this date, and it is so widespread. But free will builds my faith It builds my hopes, my dreams, my everything to keep setting into action and keep putting ideas, beliefs, and actions into motion of a reality that I want to live, of a reality that I believe in, of a reality that has given me the chance to take up free will and consider myself as a part of God, a God who does not fear, who does not think there is only one path to success, and that is the one I see around me, who creates reality through their thought and action, and who has gifted me with that free will. So it would be stupid on my part to not give an attempt to that free will and not take the responsibility of that. Because if there's even 1% chance that all of this is true, all of what the yogis and meditators and the spiritual leaders talk about, if it's true, I can't miss out on something so beautiful about life, something so divine about it, something that has been given to me since my birth. And yeah, I think this whole concept will always stay very close to my heart. And I know I have abused my free will left, right, and center when I was functioning through fear and like the lower aspects of who I am. And I was controlled by my senses. That was the time when मेरी खुद की कोई बुद्धि डेवलप हुई नहीं थी. So yeah, free will was just passing on with life. But now that I understand the real meaning and value behind it, I can get more serious about it. I can think of my actions as a way to change my reality finally. So, yeah, I think it's a very empowering thing to know that you are the only one to decide what your life looks like. क्योंकि आज तक तो हमें यही बोला गया है कि अपने हिसाब से मत जियो, अपनी मत सुनो. Look at this person, that person who followed their thing and failed in life, or something or the other. But when I think of free will, all I can remind myself is that ये मेरे हाथ में है ये चीज़. मुझे किसी की सुनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मुझे अपने दिमाग को ठीक करना है और मुझे अपने एक्शंस को अलाइन करना है to get the reality I desire or something closer to that. And when it comes to destiny, I don't think it can't be changed. I genuinely feel तुम अपने present actions से और thoughts से जितनी भी बुरी चीजें तुमने की होगी, I think destiny is just a product of your past thoughts and actions, not just this life, but previous life as well. But I have read that before taking birth, we as souls decide upon specific events in life. मतलब हम ये सोच के आते हैं कि हमें कुछ लेसन सीखने अपनी लाइफ में. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड बाय लेसन आई मीन वैल्यूज एंड वर्च्यूज जो हम भूल ही चुके हैं. दैट इज द सोल रीजन वाई वी आर हियर. But yeah, for example, if me as a soul who hasn't taken birth yet, I know this is difficult for you to imagine, but there's enough literature upon it. If you are interested, you can look it up. But yeah, as a soul, you decide upon like the lessons that you want to learn in this life. और वो वाले events आते रहते हैं तुम्हारी लाइफ में unless you've not learned that lesson. So for example, मुझे अगर ये लाइफ में पेशेंस का लेसन सीखना है, फॉरगिवनेस का लेसन सीखना है, ये 2 चीजें पकड़ती हूँ मैं. चलो, तो देयर विल कम मोमेंट्स इन माय लाइफ रिलेटेड टू दीज थिंग्स एंड दोज इवेंट्स कैन बी डेस्टाइंड. बट वो भी मैंने ही चूज किया है अपनी लाइफ के लिए। और ऐसा नहीं रहता तुम्हारे ऊपर सारा भार डाल दिया है बिफोर बर्थ, यू आर लाइक कंसल्टेड एंड there's also this another higher good soul is what they call it. Check up the book. Shit, मैं भूल गई नाम. I have mentioned a lot about it in the past. अब मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहा. I'll link it in the description. मुझे याद आए तो. नहीं, Rules of the Spirit World. हाँ. Laws of the Spirit World. हाँ, Laws of the Spirit World is the name of that book. And oh my god, it's so good. उसमें बताया गया है कि you sit with another good soul and who's like a higher, more qualified person, soul. एंड उनके साथ तुम डिसाइड करते हो तुम्हारा ऐसे बर्थ के पहले व्हाट आर द लेसन्स यू वांट टू हैव एंड सम स्पेसिफिक एक्सपीरियंस. कोई होता है जो एकदम बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना, वो तुम डिसाइड करके आते हो काइंड ऑफ. अभी वो कैसे अनफोल्ड होता है, क्या होता है, इफ इट्स रियली डेस्टिन्ड टू अकर दैट वे, वो सब मुझे नहीं पता है उतना डेप्थ में. मैंने जानने की कोशिश नहीं की है. बट या देयर आर पार्ट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ दैट आर रिटन by you, but that is the good one that brings the most amount of transformation for your life. But every time something bad happens and you put it upon destiny, तो वो चीज़ नहीं है. वो तुम्हारे actions भी हो सकते हैं जो तुमने कभी तो किया रहेगा but is not yet fulfilled, and cause and effect वाला something you've caused, उसका reaction निकलने ही वाला है. So not everything can be put upon God and destiny. It is literally just cause and effect, action, reaction. तुमने किसी चीज़ का action लिया, even if it's in your thought, there will be a reaction to it, equal reaction to it. So yeah, if you've done something and if something is happening in your life, it is a reaction to your past behavior and whatever karma you've done, not just this life but previous life as well. So yeah, I just want to again highlight the fact that in सब में तुम ही डिसाइड कर रहे हो तुम्हारी लाइफ और क्या रियलिटी में आएगा. तो ये सब चीज़ों पे डालना छोड़ दो कि I did not have enough money, I did not have enough contacts, I do not have enough talents in my life, I do not have the right peer support, I do not have the best set of parents, I do not have these unending things, वरना मैं तो कहाँ का कहाँ पहुँच गया होता. You can have that through free will. It's literally free will, freely available to you. Your own willpower, your decision making, वो तुम्हारे हाथ में ही है. Victimize करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. I was also watching this YouTube video which comes closer to this concept by Pramila. Pramila Dhyani is her name, I think. And she has this video on life is a mirror. And that beautifully explains the concept कि तुम्हारा लाइफ मिरर है तुम्हारे एक्शंस और तुम्हारे थॉट्स का. तो अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि दुनिया में कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा है या फिर तुम्हें चीज़ें मिली नहीं वरना तुम तो बहुत केपेबल थे, एंड दिस वाज मी एज वेल इन द पास्ट, बट द मोर आई स्टार्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट फ्री विल एंड द इम्पैक्ट इट हैज़ ऑन आवर लाइव्स, I realized that life is literally a mirror of what your soul is and what you sow and then reap and things like that. तो it is literally about तुमने क्या डिसाइड किया, तुमने क्या एक्शन लिए, तुमने क्या थॉट्स को नर्चर किया. जहाँ तुम्हारा अटेंशन गया वो चीज़ आई तुम्हारी लाइफ में. और एक बार उस चीज़ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ जाती है ना कि मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, तब जाके a different part of you wakes up. So yeah, I just wanted you to remind yourself of this power that you have, and that's free will itself. And while I am still learning about it myself, I just find it very fascinating कि हम सबके पास वो फ्रीडम है चूज करने का और जीने का जैसा हम चाहे, जैसा भी हम चाहे. We have that. So, yeah, that's all, I guess, that I wanted to share. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening. And I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.